tout le monde, hello everybody, bienvenue, welcome to today, which is jour number, can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! We've reached jour 10, day 10, thank you for being here with French with Mr. Innes. Let's crack on with the video. Today we are going to be thinking about different types of jobs. And so without further ado, it's time for our phrase of the day. And today's phrase of the day is, écoutez, un emploi, un emploi, un emploi. Répétez, un emploi, un emploi. Now, an emploi means a job. And so today we're going to be thinking about 4 different types of emploi. And now it's time for our ooh la la vocab. The first job we are going to learn about is a doctor, which I'm sure you will agree is a really important job just at the minute. And a doctor in French is, écoutez 6 fois, un médecin. Un médecin, un médecin, un médecin, un médecin, un médecin. Répétez, un médecin, un médecin, un médecin, un médecin, un médecin, un médecin. Next up, we have someone who I could really benefit from at the minute. Yeah, definitely. It is a hairdresser. And in French, a hairdresser is un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Répétez. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Un coiffeur. Next up, we have the best job in the world. These are the sorts of people who you just love and who I'm sure you're missing so much at the minute. It is a teacher. And so, in French, a teacher is, écoutez 6 fois, un professeur, un professeur, un professeur, un professeur, un professeur, un professeur. Sounds a little bit like professor, doesn't it? Maybe you can call me Dumbledore. Okay, répétez. Un professeur, un professeur, un professeur, un professeur, un professeur, un professeur. Oh, how I miss school. And last but not least, we have a very important job in France. And it is a baker, because the French love their bread. Écoutez 6 fois. Un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger. Répétez. Un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger, un boulanger. And now it's time for our fun French fact of the day. Now, I've already mentioned that the French love their bread, and in particular, they adore baguettes. Baguettes! Baguettes! Well, did you know this? About 100 years ago, the average French person would eat 3 baguettes, every single day. Even today, the average French person will eat about half a baguette, which is still quite a lot of bread. And now it is time for our song of the day. Today's song of the day is by a French singer called Aya Nakamura, and it is called Djadja. This is a great blend of Afrobeats and urban French music. You can find it in the YouTube description below. And that is everything for today's jour number 10, French with Mr. Innes. It's been lovely having you today, learning about different types of jobs in French, and I hope to see you again next time. Au revoir!